Good morning. I'm Justin. I'm a first-year fellow and second-year PhD student. Today, I'm going to talk about prostate cancer. So I've been looking at normal prostate tissue, and the interesting thing that I found is that there are some glands that I've highlighted in red here that have RNA, or the intermediate between DNA, which is your genes, and protein. They have RNA that looks like cancer. You can see here we've actually identified there is a gene called MSMB that is lost in these really high risk regions. And when we look at actual cancer tissue, not just normal tissue, for example, the stage 4 tissue, up here, the MSMB expression is completely lost. And actually, from our neural network, this is predicted to be the highest risk tissue. And we found that these gene expression signatures look kind of like metaplasia, which is this more stem cell like kind of activity that tumor cells can hijack to move around tissue and spread. So DEGAS, a neural network, essentially what it does is it takes this low resolution data from patients that's linked to their clinical outcomes, and it maps those clinical outcomes onto higher resolution data. So if you have single cell sequencing, it looks at like picking grapes off of a vine. It looks at the expression of these single cells from one tumor. And we can essentially align that one cell with a patient. And we say, does this cell look like this high-risk patient or this low-risk patient? So it's a way of triaging what cells to look at, what regions of tissue to look at, because there's so much heterogeneity in high-resolution data, what's important. And that helps you do differential expression analysis, correlation analysis. You can do tons of things with it. For my findings here, MSMB could be a negative marker for pathologists to help identify who's more likely to get prostate cancer. So you could stain for this protein in tissue, and if a gland in the prostate has lost this patient might be more likely to get prostate cancer later. Finding cancer earlier might improve outcomes. We're always looking for ways to triage people to pay attention to in cancer treatment. Thank you.